Scratch the card and send me a picture.
Yeah, I don't want to scratch the card until you're here. But you can take a picture of it when you're here. I don't care.
You're making my head hurt. I asked you to do something. Just do what I asked you to do. Scratch the card, send me the picture.
Are you cutting your lawn right now? What was that? I hear like a lawnmower. What was that?
Scratch the card and send me a picture.
Wait, how are you cutting your grass when you're driving?
Scratch the card and send me a picture.